Hi everybody, welcome to Live with Children here at Bio 2022 in San Diego. It's day one and I'm delighted to be joined by Dawn Carlson from my good friends at ApiJect. So we're going to find out a bit more about ApiJect and what we're doing here this week at Bio. So first of all, Dawn, it's lovely to see you. How are you?
I'm great, how are you?
I'm very, very well. Now, the event has been open for a few hours. So how has the event gone so far?
It's great. There's so many young upcoming companies. There's a lot of new technology and new molecules coming to market. A ton of interest in our product, particularly because so many companies are looking for alternatives to glass vial filling. So we're definitely seeing a lot of traffic and it's really great to be here. I'm so happy that trade show season is back in full effect and we can do this and see our peers and colleagues after a few years.
Fantastic. Well, look, let's talk about ApiJect. For those people not familiar with the company, can you give me a quick overview of the business and what you do?
Sure. So ApiJect's actually a pretty young company. We've been around for a couple of years now. So we're still part of that startup phase, but moving more into a corporate structure. So because of our newness to the market, we don't have a product that's currently approved by the FDA, but we're working on that right now. So we have a intramuscular pre-filled injector that is based on blow-fill-seal technology. Blow-fill-seal technology has been around for decades. It's tried, true, tested technology that provides dosage form for ophthalmics and nebulized products. So what we've done is worked on an innovative process to make this into an intramuscular injection. So this is a change to the industry that hasn't been seen before. We're sort of challenging the known way of doing blow-fill-seal, and we're creating what is a parenteral medication now with using blow-fill-seal technology. So our ampule is actually based on a dosage form or a device style that allows for squeezability, and then we have a accessory component that actually screws into place, and the needle hub is separate as well. So it's sterile packaging, it's sterile fill finish, and needle hub the needle hub and connector actually maintain their sterility as well.
Fantastic. And what makes it unique though to similar delivery systems?
What makes it unique? Well, we're not in glass, so we are a completely different type of supply chain. So we're relying on our plastics. So our resin is LDPE plastic. It is readily available in the market. We've got confirmed contracts and commitments. There's no volume restriction. We're not struggling to find any in the world. So we actually are not relying on the glass vialed supply chain, rubber stoppers, container closures that you see for traditional glass vial filling. So because of that, and the fact that we have a partner, which is TCI out of South Korea that makes our needle hubs and connectors, we are not dependent on the same process as traditional glass vial filling. So that independent supply chain makes us more reliable. We're able to reach a much greater population. We're scalable. We have a rapid deployable technology that can be put into several models across CMOs or licensing or facilities that want to take on this technology, and we can be across the world very quickly. So our target is really to bring medicines at an affordable scale rapidly around the world and challenge the glass vial filling market that's been sort of the tried and true for these type of drugs.
What about drugs though which are meant to be kept at low temperatures?
Right, so typical what we're seeing now is a lot of drugs that are thermo sensitive, so they have to be stored or managed, fill finished at low temp. And because of that, we've experimented quite a bit with controlling drug temperature and exposures during our fill finish process. So we've worked very hard to control all of the drug product exposure points and control and mitigate heat wherever possible. This has allowed us to create a cooler blow-fill-seal process and also store our product. The ampule by itself can be taken and stored at cold temperatures without actually taking up nearly as much space or volume or mass as a traditional glass vial. We don't weigh anywhere near what a glass vial, fully filled glass vial weighs. We don't need quite the infrastructure to support it. So it's really unique in its application, but definitely targeted for products that are relying on colder temperatures overall.
And what about the size though that's currently available?
Right now we are a 0.5 mil filled device. We had the ability to go up a little bit above that and definitely below. We're working on another series of device changes that will bring us a second and third iteration that we can go up to a mil or more. Those will be behind the 0.5 mil device that we're currently working on bringing to market.
Fantastic. Now, if people are here at Bio, where can they find you?
We are in booth 1703 and 1702. We're a double booth, so I think in some of our releases and on some of our LinkedIn materials, it has both numbers. We sit in the 2 spots, but it's marked 1703 on the floor.
Fantastic. Well, there you go, viewers. Now, if people can't make it this week, where else can we get more information?
ApiJect.com, or reach out to any of us through LinkedIn. We'd be happy to meet you.
Brilliant. Well, look, thank you very much for taking the time to talk to me. It's been lovely to see you. Enjoy the rest of the show. I hope it goes really, really well for you this week.
Thank you. You as well. Thank you for your time.
And there you go, viewers. If you're here, check out the booth 1702, 1703. Here, it's right near the front of the hall actually, so you can't miss it when you walk into, I think it's Hall B. I haven't got my glasses on, but I think it's Hall B. But if you can't make it, then check out the website and LinkedIn. You're very active on LinkedIn. You've got a wealth of information, I know that. So, Dawn, thanks once again, and viewers, thank you for watching. Until next time, stay well and stay safe. Bye-bye.